Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to use HubSpot in 2025. If you're new to HubSpot and want to learn how to manage leads, track sales, and use the CRM tools effectively, this beginner tutorial will walk you through the basics step by step. First, go to the hubspot.com and click sign up free or log in if you already have an account. Once you're in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard. Here you can see your marketing, sales, and service tools all in one place. To manage contacts, click Contacts on the top menu and select Contacts again. You can add new leads by clicking Create Contact, then fill in their details. If you're done email marketing, head to Marketing Email to create and send campaigns. And that's how to use HubSpot as a beginner in 2025. Once you get familiar with the dashboard, managing your business becomes super easy. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. See you in the next one.